Hello there. In this module, we cover the fundamentals of Warrior Special Offers, WSO. WSO comes under the Warrior Forum, a forum specifically designed for Internet marketers. Freelancer recently bought the Warrior Forum, where the forum now includes a great community of online freelancers. WSO enables you to create your offer and showcase it to the subscribed members in the forum. Over 1 million people are registered under this forum, where all of them have a common interest in Internet marketing. This forum caters towards two different audiences. One, people who create their own products in the Internet marketing niche, Internet marketers, and two, people who are interested in purchasing Internet marketing products. The Warrior Forum is a platform which allows Internet marketers to promote their latest offers. They provide spaces for marketers to place their banner ads in the forum. However, in order to advertise your banner, you would need to have access to the War Room, which is a sub-forum under the Warrior Forum. You'll be charged $37 for a lifetime membership. Apart from that, the Warrior Forum caters towards the email marketing business. This is one of the main strategies to generate your leads. You are able to promote your offer to people on the forum's mailing list for a fee. The forum generates their mailing list from the registered members of the forum. Let's say you ordered a product through the Warrior Forum. You're automatically on the mailing list, where they will mail you the offers every single day. We'll be discussing the basics in creating your WSO in the next chapter. Stay tuned.